you.
What? Don't spray it yet.
What are we doing today, Matthew?
Fitting my spoiler thingy, extension thing.
So, for this spoiler tutorial, you will need silicone, which we've got.
Yay.
Seriously strong stuff.
Woohoo, strong.
Which has got an instant grab, and we got the silicone gun from B&Q for £3.52.
What a bargain.
And what have you got in your hand?
I have what can only be called a spoiler extensione, as what the Italians would say.
With polystyrene bits all over
yes,
it.
bits of polystyrene and
And
jazz.
we are going to fit it.
Yay!
Come with us.
Smearing.
Exactly, that's why I should have got the drying towel.
Yeah, the drying towel smeared as well.
Yeah. Adhesive promoter, apparently, and Matt's pretty convinced
It's just making
it's
it
doing nothing, it's just making it wet again, so yeah.
Throw some dirt off.
It's probably taking the grease out of it.
Yeah.
Don't know how much I trust you with a gun full of silicone. Have we got to run with this?
What do you mean?
Like, get over to the car ASAP after you've put this on?
Oh yeah, I thought so.
Should we do it and walk? This is skill.
Jesus.
And this is like, it doesn't dry after like 24 hours. Happy?
I think so. Still bloody coming out. Sure, fuck it, just...
Right, just leave that on the floor, because this is your part now. I know, but I didn't want
You're
to...
gonna have to help me line it up.
Oh God.
Like, just put the camera on for a second.
It's alright, I can do it.
Does that look lined up to you?
Yeah, yes.
There.
I don't think that's ever going to come off again.
Okay. Plan.
Honestly, don't think it's ever going to come off again. Doesn't say if I'm going to come out.